So, this morning I decided to publish this old story I wrote back when I was a kid in high school. I'm 32 now, so yeah, it was a long time ago. But anyway, I just wanted to do it for kicks and see what happens. Um, so it's called For the Angel. It's in the Kindle bookstore. I'll put a link in the description box. That way, if you want to check it out, it's only 99 cents. So, yeah. I got a couple of books you can check out while you're there if you want to take a look. So, like I said, I don't expect much to come of it, but I got a little nostalgic when I found it. So it was the first thing I ever copyrighted. So if you do read it, just put your comments on here or Amazon. Drop me a line, let me know what you think. Feedback is always a good thing. So thank you for watching this. I really appreciate it.